A top reason for selecting carpet is cost. It's true, no matter how you evaluate it, with proper maintenance and cleaning, carpet is a very cost-effective, multi-featured floor covering that can provide years of quality performance. By choosing the right carpet specifications for your particular needs, and with proper maintenance, you'll very likely want to redecorate long before the carpet needs to be replaced. Consider this. The cost of maintaining carpet over time is far less per square foot than many other floor coverings, including VCT, stone, and other hard surfaces. Beyond the purchase and maintenance costs, the facility disruptions required for many other types of floor surfaces during comprehensive cleaning or resurfacing can have significant costs in lost productivity and customer goodwill, depending on the level of inconvenience imposed on traffic flow. By contrast, if done properly, carpet soiling can be addressed on the spot, no pun intended, in the moment, and almost never require a full disruption of workflow or temporary relocation of office space. Another key decision factor for considering carpet is its many value-added attributes. Things like sound absorption, cushioning slips and falls, warmth, and overall appearance. These things translate into comfort underfoot. Carpet also has the ability to trap airborne and tracked-in particulate and hold them until removed by proper maintenance and cleaning. This results in improved indoor air quality and a cleaner environment. For additional information on this, refer to the CRI website at carpet-rug.org. These attributes can add tremendous value to all environments, including corporate offices, government buildings, hotels, restaurants, schools, healthcare facilities, hospitals, and other commercial facilities. Here's why. In a facility, carpeting reduces ambient sounds, which will enable workers to focus, and that enhances productivity. In schools, carpeting acts as a sound barrier there as well. This helps children concentrate, which improves learning. In healthcare facilities, like hospitals, carpeting helps maintain a cleaner, safer environment. This happens because carpet traps airborne and tracked-in particles until collected and removed on a routine basis. The ability to cushion trips and falls is important in all environments, but critical in this one, and it gives carpet a distinct advantage over hard surfaces. Another key reason to consider carpet is the amazing color selection. Carpets give you endless opportunities for styling, decorating, accenting colors, shades, and even visually organizing a space. Now that we've reviewed a few of the key reasons to consider carpet, let's talk about the decision factors for matching the carpeting to the needs of the facility. More than likely, you'll have a color in mind. But it's best to remember that color selection can go a long way in giving a space the appearance of clean, or keeping a minimal amount of dirt and debris from completely overshadowing the rest of the decor.